Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the euro currency. As usual, so on euro you can see indeed our suggestion was correct and market indeed has continued upward action. Actually it's already challenging the resistance that we talked about in the 1950-1955 area approximately. Well, in this case, as I said, it seems that the slope of the neckline, potential neckline, will be even flatter than we thought initially. Anyway, the major reason for upward action was, as you know, the consumer price index release. So we talked about it in our weekly report, and we warned that this might be the important driving factor because inflation currently is a hot topic on the markets. The PPI was, well, in general positive with a solid degree of the inflation. CPI actually was also not bad, so it was 6 decimals inflation monthly. So in general, annual inflation was about 2.6. So this is relatively high numbers, but mostly they were priced in already. So market has expected the higher than usual inflation data, and that was mostly in a row with the expectation. And as a result, the inflationary pressure has dropped a bit. So you can see some reversal, sharp reversal in interest rates, as downside retracement on interest rates. And you could see the action mostly because of the dollar weakness on markets across the board, so on the gold, on the Forex market, including the euro currency. But since this is mostly eventual reaction, so reaction on the event, we're still watching for a shape of the pattern. So hopefully we will get this retracement somewhere to the 1850 area, 1835. Where we could consider taking the long position. Alternatively, market theoretically could try to challenge this resistance and show an upward direct continuation. Theoretically, this might happen, but I'm still more gravitating to the idea of the possible this reversal pattern, because in general, overall sell-off here was relatively strong, and especially in the city leg, we see some acceleration here and here. So, from that standpoint, appearing of the and then shoulders with the conference resistance as well here looks more probable. So at least, well, currently it would be better to not buy right at the resistance area, to wait either the real upward breakout or just watching for a pullback, which is actually our central scenario. On the 4-hour time frame chart, the butterfly, the bullish dynamic pressure has worked nice. So as we suggested, indeed, stop has been taken out, and as market has jumped up, now market stands at the resistance, kind of the butterfly that we discussed as well recently, and it stands with this level. Well, on the hourly chart, market even has exceeded the target of the possible free drive pattern that we mentioned previously. And currently on the hourly chart, it's difficult to suggest some particular bearish reversal pattern. Theoretically, we could consider or suggest the kind of the hand and shoulders or something of that sort. But actually, all that we need is just some kind of the ABCD retracement right back to the 1840, 1850 area. This price action could give us everything that we need. So let's keep an eye on today on the market reaction. What will happen around major resistance area, and the market stands right now, because overall background suggests that chance on retracement are not bad actually. And if everything will go well and will come to 1850 support, then our hand shoulders setup still stands in focus, and we will keep an eye on this level on the bottom of the right arm to take the long position. If somehow market will continue upward action, in this case we probably should wait for a pullback to this level, because in the case of the upward breakout here, in fact market will pass through the confluence as it now exists with no respect. And this very often becomes the situation where after the breakout market retests the same confluence but from the opposite direction. That would be the chance to buy around 1955 with the potential upward continuation here on euro currency. In general, this price action, overall upward action, even to the 121, 122 stands well in a row with our long-term fundamental view. If you remember, on the dollar index, we have 87.40 all-time target, and it suggests that some weakness on the United States dollar within a couple of months should happen. So, but here on euro currency, let's keep an eye on head and shoulders first.